Welcome to the channel. Today's going to be a quick video. I just wanted to show you an item that we purchased for our little deck, patio, whatever you call it. We have a small deck off our mudroom on our house, and it's something just to liven up the color, you know, a little bit. Let me show you our deck. So we just have a small, I don't know, probably 10 by 12 side deck off our mudroom, you know. Renee and my wife recently just stained this, and we just have these little lights and stuff on the pad, on the railings and stuff. But anyway, we have some flowers up here, and we have some you know, patio chairs out here and furniture. But so let me show you the item that we picked up. This nice blue, it's a 6x9 outdoor, you know, patio carpet. It's made out of, it's kind of like a plasticky, so it's easy to clean. You spray it off, fold it up, and, you know, put it away. Really cheap. You know, I think they, you know, use repurpose, you know, plastics to make this. Simple. It gives it some, gives our deck a little color. What do you think? There'll be a link in the description below. There's other sizes and other decor, I guess, or whatever you want to call it. Other patterns, yeah, patterns. It is also reversible, so you can flip it up this way. There's a different pattern on it. So this one's more whiter and this one's more blue. Okay. Just a quick little video. 6x9. There's other sizes, other patterns. Link will be in the description below. Like I said, quick video just to show you what I got. Picked it up, and yeah. Anyway, if there's something that interests you, this channel, please hit that subscribe button, and you know, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.